and we have now enough drugs. What I will advise our people is that let us utilize what the county government has provided, especially the new facilities. We are talking about over 17 health centers, dispensaries that have been fully equipped, some of them newly constructed, and has been equipped with modern facilities. Like for example, a dispensary when you go like Nganayo that we opened not long time ago, but our Excellency Governor Honorable Patrick Olendutu opened, has everything that is required for actually even not a dispensary, a higher level facility. We have baby warmers, we have incubators, and it is actually well operational. I would like to urge also Wananchi to utilize the presence of these facilities, especially our mothers who are going for deliveries. Let us stop delivering at home. Let us go and look for actually the specialized staff, those people who have been trained to deliver in good facilities and environment, so that we avoid the issue of losing our babies and mothers during delivery. I would like also to mention that now that we have enough staff, kindly come and seek for services in our facilities.
This is an automated oxygen generating plant which has been fully installed, ready to produce oxygen. The capacity of oxygen production is 60 cylinders in 24 hours, which means you can produce 1 cylinder per 40 minutes. The machine is capable of producing 95% and above pure oxygen, which can be used by patients. Yeah.
This is our oxygen plant, machine. Since for about 3 months now, our hospital has gained a lot, and our patients have been relieved from the problem of lack of oxygen. And now we can get our own oxygen through this plant. And we are very grateful to our government to have provided us, because we had problems in soliciting gas from other counties. We used to travel up to Kisii to collect oxygen, but now our county can also produce oxygen. Even to the other facilities, they can collect from here.